Preparing my dinner pork and pork hock and pork foot. Yeah.
Hi guys, so welcome to Christopher's pastry cooking skills. Today Christopher has company in his kitchen. So today we're preparing unsalted pigtail, some pig feet, and some pork bone. So right now we had it in vinegar and some lime juice for about 10 minutes. So right now we're rinsing it. We're rinsing. Make sure everything is rinsed properly. And then we're going to go straight to seasoning. Welcome back, guys. So now I am ready to put my seasoning on my unsalted pork, pigtail, pig feet, and pork bone. So right here I have onion powder. So I'm just gonna put a little onion powder. First, guys, I like to use gloves because I try to protect my fingers from the seasoning. Um, Sometimes burn my fingers, so I like to use a gloves when I'm using the seasoning. Um, Here I have ginger, already ground ginger. So I'm gonna put a little ground ginger on it to enhance the flavor. And then right here I have Goya all-purpose, and it's chili, so it's gonna be a little spicy, which we do like spicy food. So I'm gonna put a little on it. We have to be careful of our salt intake because we're not young anymore, so we have to be careful. So here we have some garlic, pepper, and herbs. So I'm gonna just sprinkle a little on it. Not too much. And then here's my ground pimento that I already crushed. So I'm gonna put it on it. Here I have some soy sauce. So I'm just gonna put it a little on it. If it needs more, well, I'll add in after. Then I'm gonna use some ground pepper, blended pepper rather. So it's blended pepper. And here I have some blend seasoning, green seasoning. So this is onion and green onion and scallion. We call it scallion, but here in Canada they call it green onions and regular onions. So it's kind of the vinegar you use to blend it. This is why it have this color. So it's still good. Then I have some garlic cloves, which I'm gonna be preparing for the pork. So I'm getting them cleaned off. So guys, now I'm finished cleaning up the garlic. So now I'm adding it to the pork. This is how I do it. I beat it and then I cut it up in small pieces. So guys, now that I finish prepping all my seasoning, I'm incorporating all the seasoning and the pork. So this is how I do it. So guys, I'm gonna leave it for it to marinate for about 5 or 10 minutes, and then we'll be right back. So welcome back, guys. Now after our pork is finished marinating, I'm about to put it in the pot to stir fry before I put the pressure on. So this is my coconut oil. I like to use um, coconut oil. Give it a good nice flavor. So this is what I use. So now guys, now that the pot is extremely hot, I'm adding in my seasoned pork to the heat, and then I'm gonna leave it to stir fry. So now guys, welcome back. I'm adding the water to the pork, water from the kettle already boiled, and then I'm gonna put the lid on and let it tenderize for about 20 minutes. So now I'm closing the lid, and then I leave it to pressure for about 20 minutes.
Well,
Welcome back, guys. So now I'm prepping up some green onions to finish up my pork dish. So this is how I do the green onions. Here we have the regular onion. This is how I do it. So now I'm gonna add it to the pot. Here we also have some thyme leaves. So we're adding everything to the pot and our thyme leaves. Now I'm gonna stir everything together. So guys, now I'm adding in some Jamaican broad bean, butter bean, and this we're adding it to our finished pork. For dinner, we're gonna prepare it with some green bananas. This is how I do it. I just cut them like this. Then I make a mark at the side. Now this is a little whole wheat flour that I'm gonna put together to make a few dumplings to go with the bananas. Now I'm adding in my bananas in the boiling water, and then I'm gonna pour a little vinegar in the water, not to get the bananas, to get the water too dark. So we pour a little vinegar. I'm kneading up my dumplings, getting it ready for the pot. So now I'm making the dumplings for the pot. This is how I do it. Roll it into a ball. Then I do it like this. Then I put in the boiling water. There's another one. Now that everything is in the pot, I'm gonna stir my pot a little so the dumplings won't stick. So guys, I'm about plating the dinner now. Banana and dumplings are finished cooked. So I'm about plating now. Finish plating our dinner. So this is the finished product. Pork, stew pork with broad bean, butter bean, and green banana and dumpling. Please do remember to like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment if you like. Thanks for watching.